Hello everyone, my name is Yash Mhaddalkar.
Hello everyone, my name is Jayesh Wani and we are going to tell you some information about robotics. So first of all, we should know what actually robotics is all about and how it can be useful in our daily activities, household chores and many more. Robotics can also help persons in various ways, but before learning all, we should know what is robot, what are its function and uses. So firstly, what is a robot? A reprogrammable multifunctional manipulator which is designed for the performance of a variety of tasks and which can take the place of humans in dangerous environments or manufacturing processes or resemble humans in appearance, behavior or cognition. So it is like a software which is programmed to help humans in various dangerous environments so that it can fulfill the requirements of humans in such areas or any work. Next, what are the characteristics of robots? So here are some characteristics described. Mobility. It possesses some form of mobility. Mobility means it can be able to move freely in the environment. Second one is the programmability. Robots are programmed to accomplish a large variety of tasks. After robots are programmed, it operates automatically. So the programmed robots can do a large variety of tasks and it is like a machine which can operate automatically. Sensors. After added sensors device in robots that are able to sense environment and give useful feedback to the device. So sensors are used in various fields such as weather predictions. With the help of sensors, we are able to get the feedback and make predictions of future environment very easily. And the fourth one is the mechanical capability. It's enabling robots to act on its environment rather than merely function as a data processing or computational device. A robot is a machine. Mechanical capabilities means power to work as a human. For example, lifting a heavy load, which can be hard for humans but easier for robots. Flexibility. Robots can operate using a range of programs and manipulates in a variety of ways. Flexible robots can do wide range of activities without any effort of humans. So these are the main characteristics of robots. So now we will be seeing three laws of robotics. So first one, a robot may not injure a human being or through inaction allow a human being to come to harm. It means that a robot should be prepared in such a way that it should not harm human being. Second one, a robot must obey the orders given to it by human beings except where such orders would conflict with the first law. It means that the orders which are given by humans should be obeyed by robots. Third one, a robot must protect its own existence as long as such protection does not conflict with the first or second law. It means that no one will be responsible for the end of existence of robots. Next is the robotics design process. So the first one is defining the problem. Firstly, we should know what are the problems we can face in the future, and second one is the researching and designing. We have to make a design of robot. And third one, creating a prototype. It means to provide specification for a real working robot than a theoretical one. Fourth one, building your robot. Building actual robot based on design or research. Fifth one is programming and testing your robot. So the programmed robot should be tested before actually making use of it. Sixth one is the evaluating your robot. And finally, robots are being evaluated or judged.
Now let's talk about microcontroller systems. A microcontroller system basically contains one or more CPUs along with memory and programmable input-output peripherals. Microcontrollers are designed for embedded applications in contrast to the microprocessors used in personal computers or other general purpose applications consisting of various discrete chips. Its specifications are speed, size, and memory. Now, let's see some of the robotics languages. First one is RoboML, which is Robotic Markup Language. Second is XRCL, which is Extensible Robot Control Language. and the third one is Rosam. So now, since we're talking about robotics, how could we miss AI, that is artificial intelligence? So firstly, what is artificial intelligence? Computer science defines AI research as the study of intelligent agents, any device that perceives its environment and takes actions that maximize its chance of successfully achieving its goals. A more elaborate definition characterizes AI as a system's ability to correctly interpret external data, to learn from such data, and to use those learnings to achieve specific goals and tasks through flexible adaptation. AI often revolves around this use of algorithms. A complex algorithm is often built on top of other simpler algorithms. Many AI algorithms are capable of learning from data. They can enhance themselves by learning new algorithms or can themselves write other algorithms. Now, you may have this question: can AI actually think just like humans? To simply put it, it is not possible right now. According to researchers, there are some reasons to claim that it will not be possible to develop a computer capable of thinking like a human. The first is the human capacity for intuition. Researchers say computers will never be able to think intuitively because they rely exclusively on rules, whereas humans employ a subtle and sophisticated form of inference from experience. The second is the validity of the Turing test itself, also known as the imitation game. It was a hypothetical test devised by Alan Turing when he came across the question, can a machine think? Now, imagine a game in which interrogator is isolated from the other two players, one of which is a human and the other one is a computer. The interrogator asks questions to both of them and tries to guess which one is the computer. If the computer is able to pass the test, then maybe, remember, just maybe the computer is able to think. According to this argument, even if computers can one day perform the same intellectual task as humans, the concept of thought cannot be applied to the type of information processing employed by the computer. To put it simply, even the Turing test isn't very perfect, but it is efficient. Though, even if an AI passes this test, doesn't completely prove that it is actually able to think. Now, there might be another question that you may have. Can AI actually surpass human intelligence and thinking capacity? So, as you may know right now, AI does many tasks, which is sometimes not possible even for humans. They speed up the processing, calculation, analytical aspects, and business productivity, and surpass humans at accuracy in certain specialized fields, but not be able to surpass human intelligence completely in all aspects of life. And since AI is human made, its intelligence, goal setting, and most of the AI dependent work would always need human assistance at some point in time. So, again, to put it simply, they may surpass humans, but not in all aspects, and at some point may need human assistance. Thank you for watching our video, and we hope you enjoyed it.